Hey guys, welcome back to ASAP. In today's video, we are going to check out the Smart Compose feature provided in Gmail. So let's say we are composing an email and we are writing some text here in the body. And while typing in some text, we are not getting any suggestions from Gmail. So in case you want to turn this feature on, you have to go to Settings, then click on See All Settings. Now under the General tab, you have to scroll down to the Smart Compose section here. So now right now it is turned off. Let's turn it on and save changes. So let's try composing another email. Smart Compose, and let's type in some text here. So now you can see that we are getting some suggestions from the Smart Compose, and if you want to use the suggestion, just press tab. So that's how easy it is. Now let's check out one more feature, which is Smart Compose Personalization. So go to Settings again, and under the General tab, just below Smart Compose, you can see Smart Compose Personalization. So Smart Compose is personalized to your writing style. This means that Smart Compose will provide you with suggestions as per your writing style. So we'll just turn that on as well. Now one thing here to note is that Smart Compose suggestions work on a number of machine learning models. So there can be some human cognitive bias. So in this case, it may happen that you want to provide some feedback to Smart Compose, and to do so, you can just click on feedback on Smart Compose suggestions. Here you can see that we have got a pop-up, and you can see the recent suggestions provided by Smart Compose. You can select any one of these, and if your suggestion isn't shown, just click on my suggestion isn't shown here, and you can also select an issue, any one of these, or you can put up your own issue, like let's say incorrect information, and you can just submit. So after submitting, you'll get a message, feedback for Smart Compose submitted. So this is how you can turn on Smart Compose personalization, and you can give feedback on Smart Compose suggestions. So by default, the Smart Compose feature is turned on, but you can turn it on or turn it off as per your convenience and just save the changes. So I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.